border talks, border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam, and that from time to time, various programs, the ministers, MLAs have been saying that there'll be a meeting between the two CMs. So when are we expecting this particular meeting to be held, and what are your hopes?
Yeah, we in fact had I had already written to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam in the month of March, April. I can't remember the exact date of this year, seeking for a meeting, and after, of course, verbal conversation and confirmation from him, and we were both very much prepared to meet. But sadly, we had the COVID-19 coronavirus struck, and therefore that meeting could not take place. Before that also, there had been many telephonic conversations that both of us have had because there were different issues that were coming up, and we had in fact verbally also decided that we'll meet up in the month of September, but I can't recall right now why. That was last year, why we couldn't meet, and then after that we followed it up in March to meet up around April, but then, as I said, COVID struck that time. So that's the reason why we were not able to meet. But in spite of that, the chief secretaries have met once in the past, recently, and the deputy commissioners and the chief secretaries are in constant touch with each other whenever any kind of situation that is there in the border areas, whichever part it may be, has happened. So we have been trying, but because of circumstances, we were not able to meet.
Sir, one last question.